Hi, and welcome to this episode of Strategic Solutions TV. My name is Carol Bell, and today we will be discussing a topic that a lot of people have asked about, and that is how do you find a really good cosmetic dentist in North Miami Beach? And today we have the opportunity to have a special guest with us, Dr. Brad Lewis, who is a dentist, a family dentist, a restorative dentist, and a cosmetic dentist in North Miami Beach. Dr. Lewis, welcome to our program today. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for having me.
You're so welcome. Dr. Lewis, we know that many people are looking for a good dentist, especially in North Miami Beach, and they usually start their search online. And when they do, they have so many dentists to choose from. So people usually want to know what kinds of things should they look for when they're looking for a good cosmetic dentist. So give us some advice on what you think are the most important things that people should look for.
Well, if they're beginning the search online, first they have to decide what do they really want the cosmetic dentist to do. Is it something corrective and they want their teeth to look nicer because the teeth need to work in the first place? Or the teeth aren't really that bad, they just want everything just to be more improved. The first thing that you would look at is, well, location is obviously the easiest. If you could get it done next door, it's better than driving 10 miles away. If you do have insurance, then that would also be a fantastic benefit for you. If the dentist is actually on the insurance list, then why not maximize your benefit? The third, which can't really be seen online, would be actually to see the dentist, the dental office, and the staff themselves personally. The bottom line is I really can't highly recommend more personal experience with the dentist. Just go to the office, meet the dentist, meet the staff. This literally will be the hands in your mouth. That will be the physical contact. And that makes all the difference in the world. And unfortunately, sometimes you can't notice that just by looking at a computer screen. You have to really sometimes really experience it personally. And then from there, you can make your decision whether you're comfortable with actually having these people doing the work that you really want.
That makes really good sense. That's great advice. Do you think that when they're looking at the dentist online and they're trying to decide which one to even go to see, do you think it's important that they look to see what their patients might have said about them?
That could help if that information is actually on the web or the resource on the computer screen that they're looking at.
Okay. So if someone comes to see you for the first time, what kind of experience can they expect to have? And tell us what makes your practice unique and different from the other cosmetic dentists in North Miami Beach.
In my practice, I like to consider it, even though that cosmetics is what we do, restorative, which basically means rebuilding your mouth that needs repair, and treatment is what we do, but also family dentistry. And family dentistry doesn't necessarily mean that I'm treating all the different family members within a patient family. But it also means to me that all my patients are part of the family practice. They're our family too. And they're going to notice that when they come to my office by the kindness, the niceness, and attentiveness of my staff and of me. Nothing's really robotic. Everything is very personal, almost to the point of even we want the patients to have a good time. I do use frequently a sense of humor in my practice while I'm treating patients, and it just makes everybody much more comfortable, and it's not that anxious time that usually dentistry is notorious for, because we're literally treating family members in a sense. They are part of our family, and that's something the patients will normally see, is that type of down-to-earthness, that personal contact. So it's not robotic, it's not staff citing scripted passages of text that practice management type of people may want us to say to you. It's all very personal. And that's the type of relationship that we want to have with our patients.
Definitely. Now, when someone comes to see you for the first time, you use a camera to help them to see what's going on in their mouth, right?
A very important part of my examination process is not only for me to look at the mouth, but if I do see anything that is of specific interest, whether it be good or bad, I do use a camera. It's actually really a digital SLR camera, and literally take photos of the things I see in your mouth. It's not one of these wand cameras that basically has got kind of questionable resolution. I'm just like videoing your mouth and just like swiping this around your teeth. These are very specific photos of very specific areas that I need to basically communicate with the patients. So when I take the photos and I actually bring the monitor in to show the photos, the patients have an opportunity to literally see their mouth through my eyes. And then from there, we're both looking at the same thing at the same time. It turns my specific diagnosis literally into a co-diagnosis, where the patient could really see that, yeah, this needs attention, this needs treatment, and they're seeing this for themselves, than merely taking the dentist's word for it, which sometimes that doesn't really work out, because many times patients really don't understand what the dentist is really talking about, but kind of taking their word for it based out of respect or whatever from the patient's point of view. With my ideas, I don't want anybody to take my word for it. I want them to totally understand what's going on with their mouths, and it being a co-diagnosis process versus just me telling them what to do.
I think that's just a fantastic thing to do, and for people to really, they're on board, they understand, they can see the evidence of what the doctor's showing them, so they know it's something that they really need to have done. That is really a nice touch. So do you have special offers that you have for new patients that are coming in to see you?
Yes, at the front page of my website, scrolling down to the bottom, there are a couple coupon offers, if you will, for new patients. As a little, just to invite them into the practice. And my website, which is bradlewisdmdpa.com, is where they could find the coupon offers. New patients, whether it be exams or a specific amount of money, percentage off of any type of treatment. You'll see that as a coupon. And the coupons are actually printable and clippable, so you can actually print them out and bring them to the dental office to maximize when it's a benefit that they really need.
Great. So I know you just gave us your website address, bradlewisdmdpa.com. What's the best phone number for people to be able to reach you?
My main office number is area code 305-944-4373. And that you'll easily get my office that way.
Okay, that sounds great. So for all of you in the North Miami Beach area or even surrounding areas from that, check out Dr. Lewis's website for the special offers that he has there, and give his office a call. Go in and have a consultation and look at the pictures that he will take for you of what is going on inside of your mouth. He is an excellent cosmetic dentist. Dr. Lewis, it's been such a pleasure to have you here and to share the information of what things people should look for when they're looking for a good dentist, as well as what people can expect to experience when they come to see you. Thanks for taking the time to be here today.
It was very much my pleasure.
All right, thank you everyone for being here, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.